safe area in the horizontal line in the middle. Similarly, hello guys and welcome to AI plus more, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a YouTube or your very own YouTube banner using Canva. Starting a YouTube channel, aren't we? Okay, and now you want to show your brand to the whole world, and of course you want to make it look as colorful or at least as appealing as possible to the eyes of your new viewers, so that the moment they stumble upon your YouTube channel, they'll think, well, does this not look professional and deserves my subscription? Alright, so how do we start with that journey? Okay, so first of all, we head over to Canva and then we search up here YouTube banner. And then it should show us this suggestion here, which is going to be this much in resolution size, 2560 times 1440 pixels. So we'll just click on that and it will show us all of these YouTube channel art templates. Now you may be wondering, why do YouTube banner templates have this kind of design? Like, why is there a horizontal line in the middle? Well, let me explain that to you. This is my YouTube channel, and similarly, I also have this kind of format for making my YouTube banner. And how is that? Is that here? If you look here, these are different orientations, or like how it would look on different devices. So I had to make sure that everything had to stay in this place. So this is a sample YouTube banner template, and this is like a guide. So in the text and logo safe area in the horizontal line in the middle, similarly here in the templates that Canva shows us, it would be the best if you put your text and logo in the middle of this picture. So if you're making a YouTube banner, then it is advisable that you put your text and logo in the text and logo safe area that you see here on the screen. Because if you see, desktop maximum is up until to the left side of the screen, but desktop minimum or mobile can only reach the darkest shade of gray in the middle, and tablet is the second. But on a TV, it will show the entire picture. And let me show you what I mean. So this is, again, my YouTube channel banner art. And on the back side is what it would look like on a TV. And this is what it would look like on a laptop or a computer. And this is on the phone. So you want to make sure that you can accommodate to these different views on different devices. So which is why here on Canva, they already prepared the templates here to make sure that your banner will be following the guidelines, or at least it will help you in presenting your brand much clearly. Okay, so let's just choose one of the available templates here. So there are a lot which are pro, so it's going to be hard, but there are also a lot, some which is free. Like for example, this one called Let's Dance Together. So let's use this one, a free template. So let's customize this template and it should open up this new page. So what we have here is a basic template with an empty design in the back. Something I would suggest doing is you could add some colors in the back if you would prefer, by just clicking the background and then clicking here to add a background color. Maybe something that would match with the color of the brand in the middle or the designs that you have put. Like somehow a darker shade of purple. Now that would look nice. But also, you can add a picture. Let's go over to pixels and get something that's purple. Get something that's purple or something that matches the brand of your channel. So this one says that it's about dancing. But we can also change this by just clicking on the text, and maybe we can change this to about like, okay, so what you're looking at here is a frame, which means you can add any photo to it or even remove the photo from it. By clicking on the frame and pressing delete on your keyboard, it should make that photo disappear. And if we go over here to uploads, and then if we go to upload files, we can upload any photo that we want to replace this photo. For example, I want to use this car. We can just drag this car onto the frame and it should replace it like that. So now it's not about horror movies, I know. Maybe you can replace this to like cars and all. and then we can change to drive with us. And everything that you see here, from the lines to the circles, are all elements that are a part of Canva, and that means you can replace them with something new. For example, this circle here, I can replace with a new element, and what I can do is I can delete and head over here to elements and maybe search up something like a car icon. Let's go to graphics, and then we'll find something like this. Let's use this one, and then let's just minimize it so that it matches or fits well with the rest. Change maybe to white, and look at that. Now it looks like an entirely different channel, which is about cars and no longer about dancing. Maybe you can just change this as well. The social media links to Broom TV, carsgofast.com. Move it a bit so that it doesn't seem too far from each other. And then yeah, you can change the color of the circles if you want by clicking on the circle, then clicking here, then choosing the color of your desire, maybe green in this example. So as you can see, everything is now turned green. And now let's go back here to pixels. Let's search cars, and look at this. Looks amazing. So if we download this one photo, and then we go back here and go to uploads and upload the photo that we just downloaded from pixels, we can use this as maybe our background. And what it will do is, this is what people will see when they're using the TV. So it wouldn't just be a blank color at the back. So if that's what you want to go for. Okay, now it's been uploaded multiple times. I'm just gonna maximize this until it fits the entire screen. There we go. It looks amazing. And then let's go here to position and click to back. And as you can see, it's now at the very back of our page. I'm just gonna adjust this a bit more so that we can see the cars. Okay, now it looks like that. That's amazing. And you also have the option to put this in the center and in the middle, and then go to transparency. I'm gonna lessen this transparency a bit too much, like 30, so that there's still like a shade of purple in the background, so that it doesn't seem so out of place, you know, that still matches with the overall color or the aesthetic of the elements in the middle. So there we go. That is how you can change, or that is how you can create a YouTube banner using Canva. Now what we need to do now is go here to share and go download, and then set this to PNG, because it's like the best option when downloading high quality pictures without sacrificing the quality. So let's just change that to PNG, and then click on download, and then you just head over here to channel customization, and you can change your banner to the new one that you made, and it will look nice. Once again, I'm telling you, this entire picture will be seen on the TV. This banner in the middle will be seen on PC and on mobile. So that is it. Make sure that you follow the guide that I showed you, and you should be good to go. And of course, don't forget to check out the link in the description to try Canva Premium for free now. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.